This is how easy it is to set up and train your chickens to use a Grandpa's feeder. Grandpa's granddaughter Hazel will demonstrate how easy it actually is. Remove the feeder from the box and place the steel tread plate on top. Unscrew the 4 screws, washers and bolts already attached to the tread plate. Grab the tread plate and slide the arms into position, making sure the holes line up, and proceed to insert the 4 screws, washers and bolts into place, screwing in the front 2 first. Tighten each screw with a drill or screwdriver. Remove the packing foam. Open the feeder and remove the training bolts. Place the training bolts into the first position and make sure the tread plate doesn't move. After a week of having the training bolts at the first position, you can now move the bolts into the second position. Make sure that the tread plate is only moving a fraction. This is so your chickens get used to the movement. After another week, remove the training bolts and your chooks are ready to use the feeder on their own. Make sure that your feeder is placed on level ground and that you don't feed your chooks any other meals during the training period. Your chickens will soon get used to the feeder and it will become their main source of food. You will now not have to worry about feeding all the rats, mice and birds, and your feed won't be ruined by rain. You will find all of the information provided in this video on the bottom of your Grandpa's feeder lid for reference. Grandpa's Feeders, the original automatic chicken feeder.